Welcome back, guys, to another video. In this clip here, you're going to see a serious fault that someone picked up when they were on the real driving test. This is real footage from a real test this week. Came out the test centre, up past the hospital, little stop on the left there, moving off again. They've got some bikes to deal with. They actually deal with this really well. Bikes give them a wee wave, so we go past. Making their way along towards King Seat. And pulling up on the left, normal stop, move off again. Nice positioning, good speed for these bends as well. Now they come down to the crossing, they get stuck here for about 10 minutes. Eventually the examiner decides enough's enough, we're going to have to just turn around just like these cars done. So they turn the car around and they make their way back. Now the manoeuvre that they're asked to do here is to pull up on the right in reverse. So the footage on the left from the back, footage on the right from the front, there's opportunities for reversing to be happening, but there's a lot of time waiting on cars coming. Now just to be clear, you should be stationary whilst cars are passing you, but if the cars are not that close to you, keep moving. See if you can spot an opportunity here, for example. There's a little bit of movement, then the car stops again. So this manoeuvre took over 5.5 minutes to complete because of all the unnecessary stops. So my advice here, keep the car moving, pause when a car begins to pass you, not when you first see them and they're at the other end of the road. They're making their way back towards the test centre now, down to the junction here, following the road ahead, and they're asked to pull up on the left in a safe place. So they pull in behind the learner. They get told move off when you're ready. The van flashes the lights. The learner starts to go. Now this red car's coming. There's nothing behind the red car. It's quite tight on the left and the right. You can see it in the footage here. It would have been best to wait on that red car. That's what the serious fault was. That was the one and only serious fault.